Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Treasuries purchases with TreasuryDirect, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the TreasuryDirect website. Log in to your TreasuryDirect account using your account credentials. Once logged in, locate the Manage My Securities tab in the main menu. Click on Manage My Securities to access your Treasury holdings. You will see an overview of your current Treasury purchases. To back up your purchases, click on the Print option for documentation. Review your holdings displayed on the screen. Select the specific Treasury security you want to back up. Click on the Details link next to the chosen security. A new page will open with detailed information about that security. Look for the option to print or download the information. Choose Print to create a physical copy or select Download for a digital version. If you choose to download, select your preferred file format. Ensure your printer is connected and ready if you opt for printing. After printing or downloading, save the document in a secure location for easy access. Repeat these steps for each Treasury security you wish to back up. Once all desired securities are backed up, log out of your TreasuryDirect account. Store any printed documents in a safe place, such as a secure file folder. Regularly update your backups after any future purchases to ensure completeness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.